Welcome to Healthy Beginnings Initiative. I am Hilda, your lactation counselor and your transformational genomic wellness consultant. Today, on this video, I would like to share with you why exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months of life is the single greatest gift you can give to your child. Many of us think of giving or gifting our children property, gold, silver, money, and the best life they could ever think of. But none of us think of the single greatest gift which starts exactly from the birth of life of our children. This is exclusive breastfeeding. When we say exclusive, I mean only, nothing beyond that. So when we say exclusive breastfeeding, it means only breast milk, no water, no honey, or no formula. Now, what happens with exclusive breastfeeding to the child, or how does it benefit the baby? It helps the baby prevent getting infections. It also helps prevent getting allergies. Also, later in his or her life, exclusive breastfeeding helps prevent getting obesity and diabetes, which are the number one killer illnesses today in our generation. How does exclusive breastfeeding help the mom? Exclusive breastfeeding helps the mom by lowering the risk of getting a breast cancer or an ovarian cancer. Also, it helps in the postpartum healing period and moreover helps the mom from preventing to get a postpartum depression. How amazing is this exclusive breastfeeding both for the mother and the baby? Well, more about the breast milk is the breast milk is the perfect nutrition the baby can have. Some of us might think maybe the baby needs an extra protein or an extra fat. Well, the breast milk has it all. It has antibodies, vitamins, minerals, fats, proteins, everything. You name it, and it's present in the breast milk. Even water. That's why we need not give the baby any form of water during the first 6 months of life because the content in the breast milk is perfect and sufficient for the baby for his first 6 months of life. Moreover, to tell you an interesting fact, breast milk is so unique and it's the perfect nutrition. In fact, the breast milk changes according to the baby's needs every day. So, if I would compare a mom's milk who just delivered on day zero and compare it with a mom who is breastfeeding her baby after 30 days of her delivery, you would see significant difference because the milk is totally different and specific to her baby's needs because the mother's body can sense what the baby requires and accordingly the milk is prepared. How amazing God has made us and how amazingly he has made us to feed our children. Sometimes we forget this fact and we tend to improvise or give things which is not at all required. So, exclusive breastfeeding doesn't just nourish the child just for today or for few days. In fact, it sets the program for their entire life. And this is the best gift you could give to your child. So, if you would like to know more on such Healthy Beginnings Initiative topics and education, do subscribe to this channel and do share this with your friends and family who would benefit from this. Don't forget to hit the like and the bell button to get notified when new videos come up. We will meet in the next video.